Citation styles like APA and MLA can be true nightmares. They may seem unimportant at first, but incorrect formatting can be the reason you lose some valuable points on your paper. The good news is that APA and MLA have very subtle differences. That's why we created this clear explanation of the differences between APA and MLA writing styles.
The College Disruptor.
We have MLA, which stands for Modern Language Association. Usually, it's used for writing involved in art and humanities, as it is useful to break down citing for paintings, books, and other literature. On the other hand, APA stands for American Psychological Association, and it's designed for technical works found in natural sciences. It is meant to show precisely the details of journals and technical reports. Many online colleges usually prefer it as their default writing style. What they do have in common is that the paper has to be double-spaced with 1-inch margins on all sides and 12-point font. Also, when formatting your reference list, there is similar information you must include: the author's name, source title, publisher, and year of publication. But that's enough of similarities. Let's get on with the differences. First, we'll see the actual citation that goes into your reference list. The information is pretty much the same, but what you need to keep in mind is the order in which you write them. For MLA, the order is author's last name, author's first name, source name in italics, edition number, publisher, and publication year. While for APA, the order is author's last name, author's initials, publication year, source title in italics, edition number, and publisher. So, by looking at both simultaneously, we see that in MLA you write the whole name of the author, while in APA you only need the last name with the initials of the first name. The two require the source name in italics, but the order is different. See, there are small changes, but trust us, they make the difference. And the same goes for in-text citations. When using MLA, you'll only need the author's last name and the page number, while with APA, you'll need the author's name, page number, and publication year. Is the year of publication the only difference between APA and MLA? Yes, it's as simple as that. However, when citing the page number in APA, you have to clarify it with a P, and with MLA, you only need to include the numbers. When you have two authors, in MLA you add an "and" in between both names. Similarly, with APA, you have to add an ampersand sign in between. Easy peasy, right? But how about if you have more than 3 authors? For both formats, you only need to include the last name of the first author and add et al., which means et alia, which means and others. So in MLA you have the first author's last name plus et al. Plus the page number. And in APA you have the first author's last name plus et al. Plus year of publication plus page number. That wasn't that hard, right? If you remember these small but key differences, you'll never make those easy to avoid mistakes again. Remember that you have online resources like Citation Machine that will organize the information for you. If you have any doubts on APA formatting, you can check out this video on how to format your paper in APA 7th edition and leave us in the comment if you want an extended tutorial on MLA. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.